What if I told you that just 1 hour a day could unlock incredible wealth? Not the kind you keep in a bank, but the wealth of knowledge, skills, and personal growth. Imagine transforming your life, 1 hour at a time. Intrigued? This is the power of the 5-hour rule. It's a simple concept embraced by some of the most successful people on the planet, from Elon Musk to Oprah Winfrey to Warren Buffett. Could this be the secret to unlocking your full potential? Let's find out. The 5-hour rule isn't about cramming for exams or becoming a walking encyclopedia. It's about dedicating 1 hour each weekday to focused, deliberate learning. Think of it as an investment in yourself, with potentially life-changing returns. This commitment to continuous learning has been a cornerstone in the lives of countless high achievers. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to embrace lifelong learning. But how did this powerful concept originate, and how can you implement it in your own life? The 5-hour rule is elegantly simple. Set aside 1 hour each weekday, no matter how busy you are, for focused, intentional learning and self-improvement. This isn't about passively scrolling through social media feeds or casually watching documentaries in the background. It's about active engagement with new information, reading, taking online courses, or practicing skills hands-on. The key is to be consistent and deliberate in your approach. 5 hours a week might not seem like much at first, but over the course of a year, it adds up to more than 260 hours of dedicated learning and growth. That's enough time to master new skills, explore fascinating subjects, and gain a real tangible edge in both your personal and professional life. This concept isn't new. In fact, its roots stretch back centuries to one of America's founding fathers, Benjamin Franklin, who made lifelong learning a daily habit. Benjamin Franklin, a polymath who excelled in fields ranging from science and politics to writing and diplomacy, was a devoted practitioner of what we now call the 5-hour rule. Franklin dedicated his evenings to learning. He would read voraciously, engage in intellectual discussions with peers, and even experiment with new ideas. This consistent pursuit of knowledge contributed significantly to his remarkable achievements. Franklin's dedication to self-improvement serves as a powerful example of how the 5-hour rule can transform an ordinary life into an extraordinary one. The 5-hour rule continues to be a driving force for success in the modern world. Elon Musk, renowned for his ambitious ventures like Tesla and SpaceX, is, a voracious reader, consuming books and articles on a wide range of subjects. He believes that knowledge is essential for innovation and problem-solving. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, is another advocate of continuous learning. He famously spends the majority of his day reading, emphasizing the importance of constantly expanding his understanding of business and finance. These modern icons demonstrate that the pursuit of knowledge is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing journey. The 5-hour rule isn't just for billionaires and CEOs. Countless everyday individuals have used this simple habit to achieve remarkable things. Take Sarah, a marketing assistant who dedicated an hour each day to learning about digital marketing trends. Within a year, she was promoted to a management position, her newfound knowledge making her an invaluable asset to her company. Or consider John, a young father who used the 5-hour rule to learn about investing. He steadily grew his knowledge and portfolio, eventually securing his family's financial future. These stories highlight the transformative potential of the 5-hour rule for anyone willing to commit to the journey of lifelong learning. Ready to embark on your own 5-hour rule journey? This simple approach can help you unlock new skills and reach your goals, no matter where you're starting from. Here's a straightforward plan to get you started and keep you on track. First, schedule it. Block out 1 hour each weekday for learning and treat it like an important meeting with yourself. Make it non-negotiable, just like any other commitment. Next, choose your topics. Identify areas you're passionate about or skills that will benefit your career or personal life. Think about what excites you or what could open new doors. Then, pick your methods. Explore various learning methods like reading, online courses, podcasts, or attending workshops. Mix and match to keep things interesting and suit your learning style. And finally, reflect and apply what you've learned. Take time to reflect on what you've learned and find ways to apply it in your daily life. Remember, consistency is key to making real progress. Start small, stay focused, and enjoy the process of continuous growth. Your future self will thank you for every hour you invest. As you embark on your learning journey, be mindful of these common pitfalls. First, mistaking entertainment for education. Watching documentaries or listening to audiobooks can be enjoyable, but make sure you're actually engaging with the material, not just passively consuming it. Second, spreading yourself too thin. It's better to focus on one or two subjects at a time to avoid overwhelm and really ensure deeper understanding. By avoiding these traps, you can totally optimize your learning and make the most of your dedicated 5-hour rule time. Just as compound interest grows your wealth over time, compound learning really amplifies your knowledge and skills. The more you learn, the easier it becomes to connect new information and build upon what you already know. Imagine learning a new language. The first few weeks might feel pretty challenging, but as your vocabulary expands and grammar rules start to make sense, your progress really picks up speed. Embrace the process, be patient, and trust that the results of your dedicated learning will compound over time. Unsure where to begin your learning adventure? It's normal to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there, but taking the first step is what matters most. Here are 5 key areas that can enrich your life, expand your horizons, and open doors to new opportunities you might not have imagined before. First, finance. Understand personal finance basics, budgeting, and investing to gain control of your financial well-being and make smarter decisions with your money. Second, investing. Learn about different investment strategies to grow your wealth, build assets, and secure your financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Third, digital skills. Master in-demand digital skills like coding, digital marketing, or graphic design to thrive in today's digital landscape and stay ahead in your career. Fourth, business. Gain essential business knowledge in areas like marketing, sales, or entrepreneurship to excel in your career, or maybe even launch your own venture or side project. And fifth, psychology. Develop a deeper understanding of human behavior, communication, and relationships to improve your personal and professional interactions every day. These are just a starting point, a foundation for your lifelong learning journey. The world of knowledge is vast and honestly pretty exciting. There's always something new to discover if you stay curious. Choose subjects that ignite your curiosity, set clear goals, and embark on your learning adventure today. In a world of constant change, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. The 5-hour rule gives you a simple yet powerful framework for continuous learning and personal growth. 1 hour a day might seem insignificant, but over time, it really has the power to transform your life. You'll gain valuable knowledge, develop new skills, and unlock opportunities you never thought possible. So, take that first step. Dedicate 1 hour today to learning something new. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning, and watch as your world expands, 1 hour at a time.